Hey, hey, what's your name? What's your name? Just asking. Are you kidding me? Come on, little sweetie cutie. Come on. What is your name? I got this hammock in her habitat for no reason. The habitat's open, and like that was a waste of money. But look at that face. Oh. Hey, I'm sorry. So I'm with the IRS, and I might need to have your credentials certified due to the fact that we know you're working for the government. Wait, you're working for the government and you live in my house? So I'm not saying anything bad about it. It's fine. But here's the thing. You didn't tell me that you were, like, CIA. I hate that Secret Service stuff. I didn't even know about it, honey. Mama needs to know everything. We need to know everything. We're mamas. We need to know.